Well, there's still time for you to get your Crafting Live ticket for Sandown Park this coming weekend, the 26th and the 27th. To actually claim your free gift when you arrive at the show, all you need to do is pre-order and purchase your ticket before 12 o'clock on the Crafting Live website on Friday this week. Now, we've got other tickets as well, because would you like to be a VIP? Would you like to jump the queue and come in and fast track? If you would like to be with one of these special tickets, having a free goodie bag, being able to go into the designer lounge, the meet and greets, and do a make and take with Lou Collins, then we would love to see you there with a VIP ticket. Don't forget, at the show, there are also thousands of free make and take places. You'll get to see Nancy and myself and all of your favourite Create and Craft presenters. Plus, lots of our guests, there's on-stand demonstrations and amazing products for you to choose from. And then there's one very, very special thing. We've got an Aardman workshop. That's right. The team behind the famous Wallace and Gromit and Shaun the Sheep are going to be at Crafting Live. It is definitely the place to be this weekend.